Messy cables can turn any workspace into a cluttered, unsafe zone. The Univivi under-desk cable management tray offers a simple way to clear that mess and keep your area both tidy and secure. Designed to fit discreetly under your desk, this 32-inch steel organizer eliminates tripping hazards and frees up valuable surface space for a cleaner look. What sets this cable tray apart is its flexible installation. You can choose the no-drill C-clamp method to attach it without leaving marks, or opt for screws if you want a rock-solid hold. Either way, the sturdy steel construction guarantees it stays firmly in place, so you don't have to worry about it shaking or falling over time. The design also focuses on convenience. Enlarged cable holes make plugging in and routing cords effortless, whether you're working with power strips, chargers, or data cables. Plus, you can mount it on either the front or back of your desk, adapting to your unique setup and wiring habits with ease. Capacity is another strong suit here. The tray's extended and widened frame holds a large number of cables and power strips, keeping everything organized in one neat spot. This means no more tangled wires cluttering your floor or desk, which saves time and reduces frustration during busy workdays. Safety doesn't take a backseat either. The ventilated, hollow design promotes excellent heat dissipation, preventing power strips and cables from overheating. This thoughtful feature helps extend the life of your electronics while maintaining a safe environment for daily use. If you're tired of entangling cords or tripping over wires, this cable management tray is worth a look. It brings order to chaos without compromising on strength or safety, making your workspace more efficient and visually appealing. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your desk setup. The Univivi under-desk cable management tray offers practical benefits that improve both your workspace's safety and style. Organize smarter and enjoy a clutter-free environment every day.